Hey makers, this is Dhruvin and in this session I am going to talk about one of the interesting update rolled out by Microsoft in August 2021 release. Microsoft has introduced some new shapes in Power BI with conditional formatting. So let's explore this feature in detail. Here I am on my machine and here I have opened Power BI desktop. Let's go to the insert menu and expand the shape option. Here you can see that so many other shapes has been added. Earlier we have available with some limited shapes in Power BI desktop. Make sure that you are updating your Power BI desktop with latest version of August 2021. Now let's say for an example I am adding some of the shapes from here. Let's say I am adding this arrow over here. Now, let's say for an example, sometimes we have scenario where we need to change the color for our shape conditionally. So, this support is also being provided at this moment with this new release. So, you need to select your shape from here. Then you need to click on fill option and here you are able to see the formula option to add the conditional formatting. So let's apply the conditional formatting. But before that, let me add one data card to show the total profit value over here. So I am adding one card and this is the total profit for my transactional table. Now I want to change the color for this shape into red if my profit is less than 50,000. If it is greater than 50,000, it is green, and in between that I need yellow color. So for that what I need to do here is I simply need to select this. Now I need to go to the fill option, select the formula bar, add the color scale, and from here let's select our profit column. And the summarization is sum, which is obvious. Then we need to provide the default formatting with minimum and maximum value with diverging type. This is the same as the other conditional formatting that you are doing for your table and other type of visualization. Now if it is 0 then it should be red. If it is 50,000 then it should be yellow, and let's say if it is greater than 70,000 then it should be green. Now let's click on OK and let's see the result. So you can see that the profit result is being showing into green as color because it is greater than 50,000, right? Now let's apply some slicer over here and this will also change the value dynamically based on the result. So I just added one slicer here and now let's just play around this. So here you can see the profit is decreased, and based on that this conditional formatting color is also being changed like this, right? So this is how you can try the different shapes. This formatting is available for all types of shapes, like let's say this is one hard shape. Similar way we have some other shapes like octagon, then triangle, rectangle. Some of them are already available and some has been added as new, but you can apply your formatting, conditional formatting, to every shape. Same way, one more interesting thing has been announced here, like over in the text field as well you can set the different field value over here. So let's say for an example I'm clicking here and basically I just wanted to set some field value over here, like let's say I just wanted to represent city value. So I just selected that and it is representing the city value over here inside this shape. So this is cool thing. So this is how you can simply add different shapes and apply the conditional formatting for your data. Hope this tip is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles like Twitter, Instagram, podcast, everywhere. With this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next session.